friends, today let's see how to make this beautiful designer mask using very few steps. The step-by-step procedure of making this designer mask and the super easy technique of decorating it is shown in a detailed manner in this video. So let's go ahead and see the procedure of making this beautiful designer mask. Friends, first let's prepare a template for the mask. Take a sheet of paper measuring 26 cm by 15 cm in size. Fold the paper and mark points around it according to the measurements shown. Join the points to make a diagram. Shape the sides as shown. Cut the shape out and this becomes our template for the mask. Using this template, let's cut out 2 pieces of the black cotton fabric. Fold both the pieces and sew the portion marked by the pencil line. Cut the seams as shown to give more flexibility to the fabric. Now align both the fabric pieces together and sew the portion marked by the pencil line. After sewing, cut the seams as shown. Be careful not to cut the stitches. Now pull the fabric inside out from the opening at the sides. Straighten it and iron it. After ironing, the fabric will take the shape of the mask. Fold the side opening inside into a 1 cm fold on both sides as shown. Now taking 16 cm long elastic, attach it on the sides with the help of a pin. Sew a top stitch all over the edges of the mask, fixing the elastic inside too. Here our mask is ready. And now let's decorate it with beautiful design using very few steps. This mask we made is a medium-sized mask using this template. We can also alter the size of the mask. Taking the medium-sized template, reduce the size of the template by 1 cm to make a smaller size template. Again, taking the medium-sized template, increase the size of the template by 1 cm to make a large size template. Using these templates, we can modify the size of the mask as per our requirements. Now let's take the mask prepared earlier and decorate it. Take a plain paper and outline the shape of the mask on it. Cut the shape out. draw a floral design on the paper and trace the design onto the mask with the help of white carbon paper. Here we have traced the design, and now let's take the 3D outliner and do the liquid embroidery on the mask. We are making a running stitch pattern all over the design using white 3D outliner. Make small dashes all over the design resembling a running stitch as shown. Next, let's stick small decorative stones with the help of fabric glue. Friends, here we have completed decorating the mask, and let's keep it aside for drying completely. Once it is dried, we need to iron it from the back to completely fix the design. Here is a mask done with the same technique, and the design is done on both sides, making a very pretty mask. This design can be done using any color plain fabric. Friends, hope you like this video. Do make your own mask and decorate it.